Assalamu alaykum my sweets. So you all wondered about the Jilbab hijab tutorial, and the number one question I got was, does it look bulky on the top? How do you pin it? How does it look in the back? All of that. So I am here to make another video regarding that one, the same style. Number one thing you'll be needing is a hijab cap. Make sure that you have a long hijab. Make sure it's equal on both sides, and you just do this. Put one like that, the other one on top, okay? Now what you're going to do is pin it. It's literally all flat. You take this part, turn it around on top of your head, like so. You're going to be blind for a few seconds, but it's okay. You just do this, and you can see again. You just, ta-da, make it look like this. Here, what you do is you basically make a knot. Nothing on the top. On the side, it looks really nice. Make sure it's a low bun. In the front, you basically like style it the way you want to. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope that this tutorial helped you and it showed you how it truly looks. And yeah, if you have more questions, let me know. But yeah, stay blessed everyone. Bye bye.